Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the Ace Factor. Your host for the day, Mason's Rugged Roads.
Alex Stonebridge.
Oh, hello.
Have you come out on a very windy day? Any trees down today?
I've seen a couple of small ones.
Oh, yeah, okay. Ow, that'll be a piece of piss. There's loads of room. Alright, cool. Yeah, no one else will be out today, though. Parked. You can't park there, mate. Right, go.
So anyway, 1, 2.
There we go. Right. Yes, Stonebridge. Yes. I'm on your left.
Alex Stonebridge. Beautiful.
Beers, bikes and pints.
Yes.
Here he comes, nice and steady. Oh my God, look at your tyres, Mike. They're filthy. Right, he needs to go on the right now. Look at that. Good people of planet Earth. East meets West. India meets Africa. This is Mike. He is out for the first time on, well, this, on his brand spanking new Himalayan. What a beautiful machine. We'll catch up with Mike in a minute, because for the moment we are having breakfast on a beautiful sunny day. So it's been a short ride this morning up onto a place that you call, or we call, White Sheet Hill. We're out with Mike today on his brand new Himalayan, his Royal Enfield. I wanted to ask you, Mike, what made you choose the Himalayan of all the other motorcycles you could have had?
Well, it was a bit of a journey. Looked at quite a few. I didn't want anything too big.
What else did you look at, by the way?
Oh, I looked at the Honda CRF, the new one, 300. Couldn't get one, so but the seat didn't look terribly comfortable. Maybe I'm wrong. And the CB500X.
Oh yes, did you swing a leg over that and go out on it before you bought the Royal Enfield?
No, I didn't, because there was a bit of a waiting list on that one as well. But you know, at some point I will be, definitely. And I think that was about it. The Himalayan though, I always liked the look of it. That's what sold it to me. I just like its style. Is there a car behind us, Mike, ruining the shot? Thanks for that. Hey, at least you know it's all live and we're not staging it. But no, I just like the look of it. The price point was a factor, I'll be honest.
Yeah, the price.
I didn't have loads of money to spend.
Can I ask, how much was it? I'm a bit out of touch of motorbikes, I don't buy any at the moment.
A couple of years ago, it was just over 4 grand, I think.
Yeah.
4.2 maybe on the road, and now it's 4.7.
£4,700 for a brand spanking new motorcycle.
For the colour I had, it's a bit more
wow.
than the other colours.
That's value for money. As long as it stays together and doesn't shake itself apart, you're going to have to look after it. Looked a little skittish. I'll wait for it to get round the corner before I start the bike up again.
Yeah.
We don't want that horsepower going mental. India meets Africa.
What else did I like about it? The ride height, the...
Oh yes, I've heard a lot of people do like the ride height on the Himalayan in terms of the seat and getting your feet onto the floor.
Yeah, that's nice and easy.
It's probably good for short people like me.
Well, yeah, I'm not much more, so yeah, it's good. It's good for that. And the... yeah, the forgiving nature of the bike. And I needed that because I haven't been on a bike for about 15 years, so that was good. And it's a nice bike to ride.
Well, we are going to find out how forgiving it is. Not today, we're a bit short of time. Mike will be back out again on the Himalayan, and we're going to go up to Salisbury Plain and we'll see how forgiving it is. But we'll take it easy on him, I promise. We're not going to be in at the deep end or in at the deep puddles. Nice one, Mike, thanks.